3,760. The Rbpc People Council and Meghalaya People Social Organisation today staged a sit-in demonstration in front of the indoor stadium Lingdiat, seeking an immediate release of the results of the District Selection Committee DSC examination conducted in Rbpc district between 2021-22. The demonstration garnered support from various NGOs including HANM, CORP, Sanjukki Seng Samla Shnong and Rbpc Darbar. Speaking at the event, Jason Linux Nongrum, president of Rbpc, expressed the union's concern regarding the plight of the unemployed youth awaiting the DSC results. He said that they had repeatedly requested the district administration to release the same, but to no avail.
Nyala buat lagi jing tho nyumi ka result de na kadang-kadang ka penborengi dan yawan mentah hasurok hamadan kumne hendai kidang dampat kisinjam ke bana kaliang kaseng kan sakshim hakisi ki pori badang wan hendai haswa jong kata ngakendui ka sarkar laringi keren ya ka DSC kamdei bahkan kut tengah ka DSC nomor kani ka jing mi jong kaseng Syamadan kadai namar bang ni layo ya kaju kajing ut jing nam na ki khun samla ya kajing bom yo kam yo jam ya ki jing ki ba ki khun samla ki mat wat hadin bekila pendep ya ki degree beper.
The intensified pulse polio campaign